Hey guys, it's Miss Amber. Today we're going to do an activity that involves math. So we're going to be graphing, patterning, adding, subtracting, and doing shapes. And all we need is some leftover Valentine's candy. It's on sale right now. I still saw some at stores yesterday, and you might have some from Valentine's Day, or you can use any kind of candy, but I just think these little conversation hearts are really cute for this activity. And you can get any kind of marker or pen or pencil. And I have construction paper just to make it more colorful. All right, let's get started. Hey guys, for this first activity, we're going to do color sorting. And if you get the big bag, you are going to have more of a color variety. In this little package right here, we don't have a whole lot of colors. We've got the orange, yellow, pink, looks like maybe a purple and a white, but we're going to draw a heart to put each color in, and then just have your child sort the colors. So yellow goes here, draw a heart for each color. And of course you'll have the hearts pre-drawn before your child starts sorting. And as they're sorting, you can count with them how many are here. So it looks like we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 pink and a half. Are you gonna go there with your kid? That's up to you, because you can just discard the halves if you don't think they're ready to understand the concept of a half. But in the classroom, I still would talk about it. I would say and a half. And I would say the reason this is a half is because it's broken apart, so it's not a whole. And just make hearts for each color and have your child sort them. For this activity, I created a bar graph, very easy to make. You just put the colors or whatever it is that you're doing the bar graph on down here at the bottom, and you make lines, make it up to the top, and little categories to put things in. And we used to do this in the classroom. We would have a child that was particularly interested in math go around and ask about people's moods that day, or their hair color, and like we'd put like blonde, brown, black, and let her put it up in the bar graph, or happy, sad, whatever, and let her put it up in the bar graph. She really liked that. And you can let your child just fill it in with crayon, marker, or you can do the candy option, which kids really seem to like. So in this case, we're going to see how many orange we have. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 orange, and this is a good comparison, a good visual to compare how many colors you have and say which one is the most. It's a good visual representation of how many you have. And you also can put the numbers over here. I usually do that. So this bar graph goes up to 7. I made it go up to 7. So you can see right now, it looks like yellow is not winning. We have less yellow and more pink. Let's see how many white we have. I believe white's definitely going to be the most. And you can talk to your child in quantity terms like that. Most, less. What's going to have more colors? So it looks like white definitely is the most. White has 7. Pink has 6, yellow has 1, orange has 3, and purple right there. So the more that you get your child thinking mathematically, the more it's going to help them through life with math. And you also can talk about how the color words are spelled. O-R-A-N-G-E, O-R-A-N-G-E. So just talk about how words are spelled and acknowledge that they are words and they have meaning. This next one is really simple. You're just going to trace shapes. You can actually also do this with letters if you want to do some letter work, and just have your child place the hearts along the dotted lines to form the shape or letter that you're working on, or number, whatever that you want to work on, and talk about the shape while you're doing it. How many sides does a triangle have? 3 sides. Tri means 3. 3 angles. Triangle. How many sides does a circle have? Circle has 0 sides. Square has 4 equal sides. Rectangle has 4 sides that are not equal. They have 2 equal sides on the top, 2 equal sides on the sides of it. hexagon has 6 sides. And a rhombus is also referred to as a diamond sometimes. You can have a big talk about shapes. The next thing that we are doing is making a pattern. So an AB pattern is alternating colors. So we could do white, pink, white, pink. And the way that you can get your child to show that they understand the concept of this is to get them to extend the pattern. You can say what comes next. So we've got white, pink, white, pink, white, pink. And then you can have them demonstrate also by making their own pattern of alternating colors. So this is an A-B pattern, alternating colors. Ask them what kind of patterns they see in their daily life. If they have a striped shirt on or something, that's a pattern. There's all kinds of patterns all around us. The last thing that we are going to do is addition and subtraction. So I am going to write out the number 4 plus 4 equals. So this is a little advanced. It's not so advanced that your preschooler can't do it though, because I do it in class with most of our children. And you're going to show the quantity with the candy, and the kids love this because that means they can eat the candy at the end of it. We used pumpkins for Halloween, and they got to eat their own little pumpkins at the end of the exercises, and they really enjoyed that. And that was good for subtraction. Alright, so I'm going to put 4 hearts. See? So we've got the number 4, and then we are showing what the number 4 looks like. Plus 4. Plus means that we are adding. We're adding them together. 4 plus 4 equals. Have them count it. Sometimes, like some of the kids in my class can just tell you by looking at it what 4 plus 4 equals. They don't even have to look at the amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then they really like this part. You just push them over there. So we got 8. And we write the number 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Now another thing that they enjoy doing, especially when we have candy, is subtraction, because that means they get to eat them. So if we have 4 minus, that means we're going to take away. 2 equals, let's see, we have 4. We have 4 candies right here. We're going to take away 2, and I always say that means you can eat them. So what does that mean? Now we have how many left? 4 plus 2, or sorry, 4 minus 2 equals 2. There we go. I hope you guys have had fun learning today, and see you guys soon.